It was running for 56 minutes, and only burned down to 75% of my battery.
Oh, that was yours that was on there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought that was the videographer.
Close.
Well, you smooth, bro.
Yeah, man. Just real low key, no one even noticed. I just get to sit back and pretend.
They did that at my wedding too, like made funny jokes and
I think it gives you character.
Yeah.
I'm just saying that.
You probably won't even be able to see, it's so dark, but
well, black.
You hear it.
yeah, it's the audio. Honestly, the audio sucks. That's what I really should have done. I should have hooked you up with a mic.
You hooked that up on a pew or something?
It was up on the lectern. You didn't see it?
No.
It was up there the whole time. Yeah.
How'd you turn it? Did you ever just fix it
Yeah.
in one spot?
Oh, really?
I'm gonna make you a little VR video.
Where was it at on
It was up on the lectern, like up above everything. Yeah.
Oh, like on that wooden.
Yeah, on the wooden thing.
I know you was talking about it yesterday. That's cool.
Yeah, I tried making it to where no one noticed it.
Yeah.
So hopefully.
Yeah, I didn't know.
I noticed it.
That's
You told me.